Hey there, it's Annie with a new set of happy hands. My nails have some major chipping from the week, and this is why I'm not a huge fan of the out-the-door top coat. It just chips way too easily. I also have this little dot on my pinky because I ended up getting hurt somehow. Since my nails are not looking their best, it's time to fix them up. Let's go. For this week, I'm going with the neutral nude nail with a little bit of glimmer accents. I'm using the usuals that I have, but I'm trying out two new products. One is a nail polish remover, and the other is a 2-in-1 base and top coat. I've been having issues with some dryness around my fingers, so I wanted to try something new that would help me out with that. I picked up this all-natural nail polish remover from Blossom Beauty. It's acetone-free and non-toxic. It comes in different scents. I went with the lavender scented one. It has an oily consistency, so it doesn't dry out your skin, but after use, you have to wash your hands with soap and water. I'm adding about 3 shakes from the bottle onto a cotton pad. Following the directions on the back of the bottle, I'm holding it on for a few seconds. Doesn't seem like much is happening, so I'm going to hold on for a few more seconds. I think it needs more time for it to break down the polish. And there you go. It just needed a little more time. It does take a little longer compared to a traditional acetone nail polish remover, but I have to say it's a pretty pleasant experience. There's no strong smell, and my fingers don't feel dry. I'm impressed by this nail polish remover. It only took one cotton pad to take off all the nail polish on my fingers, and the essential oils in it left my fingers feeling moisturized. With my nail polish removed, it's time to prep the nails. Since the skin around my fingers have been peeling, I use this cuticle cutter to remove any of the excess skin. With the cotton swab dipped in acetone, I'm going to clean off any oils or nail filings that may be on there. Now my hands are clean, prepped, and ready to go. The second new product I'm using is the HANSEN Double Duty Base and Top Coat. There were good reviews on it, and for $4, I thought that's a pretty good deal for a base coat and a top coat. Hopefully it lives up to its reviews. One of my favorite go-to nail polish is from ESSIE. It's called Sheer Silhouette. It is a sheer tan nude nail polish with caramel undertones. It's easy to apply and it's also easy to clean up. I am adding a second coat in order to make the color more opaque. I have a tendency to paint beyond the nail, so I need to clean them up. With the OPI correction pen, I'm going to clean up the overpainting. For the glitter accent, I'm using a glass palette dish, a daughter, and a toothpick as an alternative to the daughter. The silver glitter nail polish I'm using is from JULEP called Bella. You can use any glitter nail polish for this step. Just add a little onto a palette dish. With the fine tip of the toothpick, I'm adding the glitter polish onto my ring finger. I'm not picking up too much of the polish, just little by little, just to make a nice clean line. I don't want to add too much, just enough to create an accent. Now with the fine point of the daughter, I'm going to add the glitter little by little. The lighter a touch, the better the line will come out and the cleaner it will look. It's back again. I'm using the Sally Hansen Double Duty now as a top coat. I'm finishing off with some cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails. This neutral nude manicure with a simple glitter design is great to wear for any occasion at any time of the year. Now with my nails done, I'm ready for a nice ice cold drink. I cut up some lemons to pair with my sweet tea that I have here. My sister had given me some sweet tea over the weekend, and now I can't stop drinking it. It's such a great drink for the hot summer days. See you next time with a new set of Happy Hands.